It is Derma E's 39th birthday. Let's unbox this together. They just sent it to me. Let's see what's inside. Gucci's here with me too. He likes to be the star of the show, right? Okay, we're gonna unbox this together, buddy. Yes, I see you. You're very chatty. What is it? You want some attention? You wanna unbox this? You're so cute. I've been using Derma E for probably close to 10 years, maybe a little bit more, but they sent me this box to be a part of their celebration. Again, they've been around 39 years. They are one of the leading natural skincare brands in the US. Give me a sweet card, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad about the purple. We've always had that purple thing in common, and it works. This is so cute. I'm telling you what, they go above and beyond. Look at this. It's so cute. Thank you so much. This is adorable. Oh my goodness, that is so awesome. What's inside? Little Derma E bags. Everything's on brand. Love that. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. I haven't used one like this before. What do you think, Gucci? And they're cruelty free, right? We love it. They're cruelty free. No testing on animals. So we don't like that, huh? No testing on animals with Derma E. I know what Gucci wants. I know what he wants. Oh, yes. Yeah. You want a little bit of that? Got a little sparkle, got a little crinkly going on. What do you think? We have Derma E's Firming Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer, and it's the one that I'm currently using right now. It's amazing. I love this whole line right here. Then this is the hydrating line. The blue is the hydrating line. The cool thing about Derma E is that they have something that matches everyone's skin type. So for example, at one point, 10 years ago, my skin changes after I gave birth and stuff, like it just happens. But also I've moved to like live in different climates. But 10 years ago, I used a different line with Derma E, and I was able to stay with Derma E and continue using their products because they have something that matches your skin and what you need basically at any point in your life, at least from what I have discovered. But this is the one that I'm currently using right now, and it is the bomb. Derma E Scar Gel. This is one of their top selling products. It works super well. You're having your 39th birthday too? My 39th birthday is a few years away, but listen, we all need this anti-wrinkle cream. It is time. If you were born in the 1980s, just like Derma E, it's time to start using the anti-wrinkle cream, let's be honest. And last but not least, this is Derma E's Vitamin E cream, but here's a cool story with this. This was the very first product that Derma E ever created and launched the brand, and it was sold in a health food store back in, 1984. This was the original product. It's still here, still a fan favorite. It has a really light scent. This smells really nice. But this is the cream that started it all. Thank you, Derma E. I'm so excited to celebrate with you today. I tried to balance it.